limit of ax plus b divided by cx plus 1 as x tending to 0. In this case, you can directly substitute x value 0 because you get a definite value. So a into 0 plus b divided by c into 0 plus 1 here. So a into 0 becomes 0 plus b divided by 0 plus 1 here. So b divided by 1 and b upon 1 is b itself here. Therefore, limit of function is b here. This is answer. This is a definite value here. Next, in this case, if you put z value 1 here, what happens? 1 raised to 1 upon 3, 1 itself. 1 minus 1 is 0 here. Again, 1 minus 1 is 0. Means indeterminate form. Means use your formula, then solve it here. Here dividing a numerator and denominator by z minus 1 here. Dividing a numerator and denominator by z minus 1 here. Therefore, this is equal to, you can write a limit of z tending to 1 here, z raised to 1 upon 3 minus 1 divided by z minus 1 here. Again, limit of z tending to 1 here, z raised to 1 by 6 minus 1 divided by z minus 1 here. Dividing numerator and denominator z minus 1 and write the numerator limit, denominator also limit here. Okay, because you know algebra of a limit here. According to algebra of limiter, we can write like this here. Okay. Yes. Then again, this 1 is there. This 1 can be written as 1 raised to 1 by 3, and this 1 can be written as 1 raised to 1 by 6 here. 1 raised to 1 upon 3, 1 itself. 1 raised to 1 by 6, again 1 itself here. Therefore, you can write like this here. Then you know the formula, you already proved here. Limit of x raised to n minus of a raised to n divided by x minus a as x tending to a is equal to what here? N into a raised to n minus 1 here. This is the formula. So comparing this with this numerator here, so a value 1, here is 1, and n value is 1 upon 3 here. Therefore, using this formula, therefore this is equal to, so 1 upon 3, 1 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 here. Even in this denominator, comparing this with again this formula, a value 1 and n value 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 into 1 raised to 1 by 6 minus 1 here. 1 by 6 minus 1. Here 1 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 is again 1. 1 raised to 1 by 6 minus 1, again it is a 1 only. As this is equal to what here? 1 upon 3 divided by 1 by 6 here. Take 1 by 6 to numerator. Yes, this is equal to 1 upon 3 into 6 by 1. 3 1s are, 3 2s are cancels here. Therefore 2 is the answer here. If you directly put a 1, you will get a 0 by 0 form. Then dividing numerator and denominator by z minus 1, apply the formula to get the value 2 here. Okay, so this is the solution here. So limit of ax square plus bx plus c by cx square plus bx plus a as x tending to 1 here. In this case, I direct substitute x equal to 1 only because you will get a definite value. A into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c divided by, so c into 1 square plus b into 1 plus a. Therefore 1 square is 1 here. A into 1 becomes a, then b into 1 is a b plus c divided by c into 1 becomes a c plus b into 1 becomes a b plus a. Here numerator and the denominator get cancels here, so the answer is 1 here. In this case, if you put x value minus 2 here, minus 2, it becomes minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, so it is a 0 here. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes a 0. Therefore, you simplify here. Take LCM in the numerator. Limit of x tending to minus 2 here. Denominator x plus 2 write as it is here. Okay. Then 2x is the LCM here. X into 2, 2x is the LCM. Then multiply 2 here and x here. So 2 plus x here. 2 plus x. Okay. Take 2x to denominator. Limit of x tending to minus 2. Then 2 plus x can be written as x plus 2 divided by. Take 2x to denominator. 2x into x plus 2x. Then x plus 2, this x plus 2 get cancels here. Then direct put x value minus 2 here. So 1 upon 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4. Minus of 1 upon 4 here. Minus 1 by 4 is the answer here. So some solved examples in a textbook here. Even solved examples also important for the point of examination. So first example here, limit x cube minus x square plus 1 as x tending to 1 here. Direct put x value 1 here. 1 cube minus of 1 square plus 1 here. 1 cube is 1 here minus 1 square is 1 plus 1 here. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels, remaining is 1 here. Therefore, value of this limit is 1. It is a definite value. In the second example, even here also direct substitute value x tending to 3 is there. Put x value 3. 3 into 3 plus 1 here. Then 3 into 4. Then 3 4s are 12 here. So value of this limit is 12 here. And in third example, put x value minus 1. So 1 is there right here, 1 plus minus of 1 plus minus 1 whole square here. Minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 raised to 4 plus minus 1 whole raised to 5 plus minus 1 whole raised to 6 plus minus 1 whole raised to 7 plus minus 1 whole raised to 8 plus minus 1 whole raised to 9 plus minus 1 whole raised to 10. Okay, up to x raised to 10 here. Therefore, this is equal to, write this one 1 here. Plus into minus 1 is a minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is a plus 1 here. Minus become plus. Plus 1 plus. Minus 1 whole cube is a minus 1 here. 3 odd number, so it is a minus 1. So 4 is even number, minus becomes a plus here. 5 is a odd number, minus of 1 here. 6 is even number, right here plus 1. 7 is a odd number, right here minus 1. 8 is even number, so right here plus 1. 9 odd number, right here minus 1. 10 is a even number, so it becomes a plus here, plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels. The answer is 1 here. Okay, 1 is the answer. Let find the limits here. In this fourth example, direct substitute x value 1 here. 1 square plus 1 divided by 1 plus 100 here. 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2 divided by 100 plus 1 or not 1 here. So this is a definite value. In the second means fifth example here, If you put x value 2, okay, 2 is 8 here, and 2 square is 4, 4 fours are 16, minus 16, 4 twos are 8, plus 8, it becomes a 0. And here put x value 2, 2 square is 4, minus 4, it gives a 0, means you will get a 0 divided by 0 form here, 0 upon 0 form. Therefore, you simplify. So this is equal to limit of x tending to 2f. In the numerator terms, x common factor here. So write here x square minus 4x plus 4 divided by x square minus 4 is there. You can write here x square minus of 2 square here. Then this is equal to limit of x tending to 2f. Then write here x square minus 4x plus 4 can be written as x minus 2 square divided by. Here use a square minus b square formula. Hence x plus 2 into x minus 2f. Then x minus 2 and 1 time x minus 2 get cancels here. So limit of x tending to 2 here. Then x into x minus 2 divided by x plus 2f. Now substitute x value 2. Therefore 2 into 2 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2f. 2 minus 2 becomes a 0. So 0 divided by 4 becomes a 0 here. So 0 is also a definite value here. 0 is also definite value. So value of this limit is a 0 here. In the next example, same terms are there, but it's a reciprocal terms. Therefore, this is equal to same procedure. Limit of x tending to 2f. X square minus 4 is x plus 2 into x minus 2 divided by, and this one is x into x minus 2, it's a square here. X minus 2 and 1 time x minus 2 cancels here. Direct put x value 2 here. So 2 plus 2 divided by 2 into 2 minus of 2x. Therefore 4 divided by 2 minus 2, 0, 0 into 2 becomes a 0. So it is not a definite value. It is called infinity. 4 upon 0 is a infinity. It is a not defined. Which is not defined because it is not a definite value. It's a not definite value. It is an infinity. Infinity and any number by 0 is infinity. 0 upon any number is 0. But any number by 0 is always infinity, which is not defined here. Therefore, there is no solution here. Okay. So limit x cube minus 2x square divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 here. We put a 2 here. 2 cube is 8 minus of 2 square is 4. 4 twos are 8 here, minus of 8, it becomes a 0. And here 2 square is 4. Then 5 twos are 10 plus 6, it is a 0. So 0 divided by 0 form here. Therefore, you have to simplify here. Limit of x tending to 2f. Numerator x square is the common factor here. Then write here x minus 2 divided by. It is a quadratic equation here. So x square minus of 5x plus 6 here. Product should be 6, sum minus 5. Yes, two numbers are minus 3 and minus 2 here. So x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 here. X is the common factor here. X minus 3 minus 2 is the common x minus 3 here. Hence x minus 3 into x minus 2 here. Therefore write here x minus 3 into x minus 2 here. Then x minus 2, this x minus 2 get cancels here. Then put a 2. Therefore 2 square divided by, then 2 minus of 3. 2 squares of 4 divided by 2 minus 3 is a minus 1 here. 4 upon minus 1 is a minus 4 here. So minus 4 is the answer. It is a definite value. Okay. Next, in this case here, if we put x value 1 here, this denominator becomes a 0 here. So any number by 0 is a infinity. And here this is 1 plus 2. 3 minus 3 becomes 0. Again it is an infinity here. Therefore, here you will get infinity minus infinity. Means indeterminate form here. Okay? If you substitute x value 1 here, this denominator is 0. Any number by 0 is infinity. Even though this denominator becomes a 0 here, 1 by 0 is infinity, so it is indeterminate form here. Therefore, you have to simplify. So this is equal to limit of x tending to 1 here. Here x minus 2 divided by x is the common factor here. In bracket, write here x minus 1 minus 1 upon. Here x cube is there. So we can x cube minus 3x square plus 2x here. Then x is the common factor here. So x square minus 3x plus 2 here. Therefore x into, again this is a quadratic term here. So therefore two numbers are minus 2 and minus 1 here. X square minus 2x minus x plus 2. Therefore x into bracket x into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2 here. Therefore x into x minus 2 common here into x minus 1. Therefore here this denominator is x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 here. Okay, complete here. Then we take LCM here. This is equal to limit of x tending to 1 here. Here LCM is x here, x minus 1 and x minus 2. Therefore x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 is the LCM. In the denominator x into x minus 1 here. So just leave it here. Remaining is x minus 2 multiplied. So x minus 2 into x minus 2, x minus 2 square. Then minus. Here these term and these terms same here. Means there is no LCM. Therefore take only 1 here. Numerator term keep as it is here. Because these denominator term and these LCM both are same here. So write only 1 here. Okay, bracket complete here. Then this is equal to limit of x tending to 1. X minus 2 whole square x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 1 divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2x. Therefore this is equal to limit of x tending to 1 here. Then x square minus 4x, 4 minus 1 becomes 3x divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Then again it is a quadratic term here, quadratic factor. So x square minus 4x plus 3 is that. Two numbers are minus 3 and minus 1. Therefore x square here minus 3x minus x plus 3. X common factor here, x minus 3 minus 1 is the common, x minus 3 here. Hence x minus 3 into x minus 1 here. Therefore in the numerator here, limit of x tending to 1 here, x minus 3 into x minus 1 divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 here. This x minus 1, this x minus 1 can cancel here. Put a direct x value 1 here. Therefore this is equal to 1 minus 3 divided by 1 into 1 minus of 2n. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 divided by. So 1 into minus of 1n. Yes, minus 2 divided by minus 1, it gives a plus 2. Therefore, value of this limit is 2. If you direct substitute 1, you will get infinity minus infinity form, indeterminate form here. Then simplifier, after simplification, you will get the answer 2. This is answer.